Hey, my people! Welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, then welcome. Go ahead and hit that subscribe button and ring that bell so you can stay up to date on any new shit we got coming at you. Okay, so I'm a little excited about this one. We got some nail mail. I got this from Shien. And I got a couple Valentine's Day trinkets and charms and stuff for me to use for, different nail designs for Valentine's Day. So let's go. So here we have a Valentine's Day foil set that I got that I think it was extra cute. I wasn't sure how it was going to look in real life, but it looks like it's really adorable. It got some that kind of look like pop art, a little graffiti-ish, and some classic looks. I like that. These, oh my gosh. We got the, what is that? Zebra print, I guess? Zebra print hearts. Yes, using those. Candy hearts. These look like they are dipped in sugar. I love these. Oh, that is so cute. Yes. That's going to go well on a nice sugary set. When I saw this on Shien, y'all, I had to have it. Just wait until you see this. It's so adorable. I put down a little towel so you can see better from my glittery map. Kiss me. Oh, adorable. That is the cutest part. Look at that bear, y'all. He's adorable. Love me. Funny, I probably won't use that for now, but I'll save that around Easter time. You always need a good bow. And I did order it like 3 times. Here we have I believe this one was a charm. Yeah, it was like a bow charm with a little dangly on it. A little heart dangly. That's gonna be cute. Can never have enough bows. So of course we had to get some crystal bows and lips. They had them in different colors, but I got the gold, and I believe I got the red, too. I think they had them in silver and black, too. I could be wrong, but I think they had them in silver and black. But look at those. Those are going to be so cute. Some heart crystals. And that's it. So just a little small nail haul that we got from Shien. Well, when I put it all down, I don't know if it looks that small, but now we got all that out the way. We're going to see what we're going to do with this joint. You know I had to do something with my baby bear, because that bear is a freaking adorable. Everything else is just, in addition to it, but it was all about that bear for me. So we'll start out with our base coat from Vetsy. And our young nail polish. I wanted 3 of the nails to be like kind of more sheer polish for what I was going to build on top of it. So this is just like to kind of give it like a frosted window kind of look, I guess. But still be, kind of see-through. We did that. We made sure we cured all of those, and we did a second coat on those too. I don't think I showed that, but we did. And then here we have our darker, or actually more solid, kind of a pinkish tannish color that I got from Young Nails. It's called, not Young Nails, I'm sorry, from Makartt. And of course, I'm going to put 2 coats on these too. And these are just going on 2 fingers. So we got those all double coated. And I'm going to go outside of my comfort zone and do a little matte top on them. I think this whole set is going to be matte. And that matte top was from Betsy as well. Oh, and the nails that I would use were from Nail Couture, the Nail Couture full cover tips. I just love the shape of these and the C-curve one. Not the C-curve, but the arch. All right, so now we are going to do little hearts on the top of this one. And how you do the hearts is go ahead and take a dotting tool, big or small, however you want the heart to be, however big you want it to be. Get a dotting tool and also get a striper or liner brush. And you can make 2 dots to be the top part of your heart with the dotting tool. And for this, I just use normal nail polish, not nail polish, I'm sorry, gel polish. And when you make your dots, then you can use your striper brush to go ahead and pull down that gel polish into a heart. I don't know what's going on with me hitting this camera. I need a new camera setup so bad, y'all. So we're going to just keep on doing that same thing. Dot, dot, and then just draw it out and down into a heart with a striper brush. And forgive me, y'all. This keeps on going out of focus. Like I said, I need a new camera, a new setup. But, you know, once y'all show me all that love, help a sister out with her page, and maybe, you know, I can go ahead and start upgrading. But until then, I'm still keep fire coming for y'all. However I can do it. All right, so we can just watch and go through the rest of these hearts because it's quite a few. we get our hearts all done. And this is what I use, the Madam Glam gel polish in Hi, I'm Chandelier, which is one of their Friends collection colors. They were so nice. So we want these to be 3D hearts. So we're going to take some clear acrylic powder from Young Nails and put it on there before we cure it and let it kind of sink into the gel polish to give it some dimension, to make the hearts pop a little bit. And it'll make them matte too, like the rest of the nail. So they'll rise up a little bit. So we just go ahead and put that clear acrylic powder on there. Just let it sink into the gel polish. And then we go ahead and cure it. And then after you cure it, you can take it out and then you can dust it off. So I did cure it in between there. It just, I just passed through it with editing, but it was cured. So make sure you cure it after you put the powder on, then you brush it off. So for our next nail, we are doing some little smooshy lips. And we're going to try to go for the same 3D effect for this one as well. Oh no, I'm looking here. It looks like there's a little hair on the end of this nail. Ugh, drives me crazy. If you watch my other videos, you've heard my dog in the background. I think you might be able to hear him in the background now because he never stops moving. My dog Gino. And he gets hair everywhere and it just ends up popping on my nails and it makes me so frustrated. So I ended up kicking him out of my nail room, and now he just looks from the door frame at me like I'm the worst mom on earth. Like, how could you do this to me? I'm like, I'm sorry, Gino. But I can't have your hair all over my nails. And I'm sorry on this one. I kept on going out of frame. I cut some of it out, so you might see a skip, from bottom lip being done and stuff because, y'all, I just kept on going out of frame on this, and I hate seeing that on other videos, so I just took it out. We're going to do the same. Get the acrylic clear powder on there, let it set in a little bit, and then cure it. Okay, so I think I changed my mind on the thumbnail. Instead of it being sheer, I'm going to make it brown so that it contrasts with the other nails that are the sheerish color. And I dropped it. I dropped the nail, y'all. So I had to fix the color and pray that there's no Gino hair on there, but I'll end up covering it up if there is. Lord have mercy. Like, girl, get it together. So I went ahead and got that to put in a cure and then took this one out. And I'm just going to brush off all of that acrylic. And while that other one is curing, I'm going to put this bear on. Oh my gosh. It looks so cute. I can already tell it's going to be super duper. Look at that bad boy. And these charms are kind of heavy, y'all. So got him glued on there and curing. And then I will go with the bow and a little love me on the other nail. I think that's cute. We can get that lined up and clean off that glue. Bake that bad boy. Now we got the brown out, and I'm going to do that matte too. And then my camera died, y'all. My camera died. So that's the end result of everything I did that y'all didn't see. And here are the done nails. They are adorable. I went ahead and glued them on my hand, and look how cute they look. I am so happy about the way this set turned out. And I want to say thank you guys for watching. If you like what you see, go ahead and hit me up with a like, leave a comment, subscribe so you can see what else we have coming. Thank you guys so much. Love you. Okay, bye-bye.